Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, here's how to smoothly withdraw money from Surveoo. First, log into your Surveoo account and head over to the Withdraw or Payout section. From there, choose your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or a bank transfer. Depending on your choice, for PayPal, just enter your PayPal email. For Amazon gift cards, provide your Amazon account details. For bank transfer, fill in your bank account information. Once you've filled everything out, confirm your request and submit it. Processing times can vary based on the method, so be patient. Remember, you'll need to reach the minimum payout threshold before making a withdrawal, and check if your preferred payment method is available in your region. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your earnings from Surveoo.